Look who I have with me today. The Crafty Lumberjacks.
Hello!
Yeah!
Really Thanks for having us.
Thanks for being here. We have out here sharks. You could use any animal. I'm choosing to use sharks because I love sharks.
Who doesn't?
It's summertime.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Perfect time, yeah.
Yeah. But I'm gonna move these out of the way.
Get him
This one's
out.
my
Get him out.
favorite.
Right, the
The
little
hammerhead?
hammerhead guy.
Yeah.
And this little guy.
He's cute.
We're gonna use the whale shark because I really like whale sharks.
I love whale sharks.
They're very gentle,
Very kind.
suave, genteel. And we're gonna turn this shark into this. So it's like a hard plastic. Then it's got a flat back on it so that when we put it on a drawer, you know, it can screw on. And this fin actually is perfect for pulling it forward. So that's the idea.
Love that.
We're going to suspend this shark inside of this tube, and then we're gonna fill it up with a silicone, remove it, cast plastic into the cavity, and then we'll end up with this.
It's like a little science experiment.
We're gonna label its body parts just like they would do if you were going into surgery. Actually, because we're going to have to remove a fin. I know, poor little guy. We want to turn the good side down because the silicone's gonna fill up this way. So, the back side, that's the fin that we need to cut off.
Chop him right off. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy.
Okay.
Looks good.
Right, you feeling that?
I'm feeling it.
Okay. So, with that cut, now it'll fit inside of this thing.
Awesome.
The right way.
How are we going to suspend this?
Okay, so if you will look in that bottom left drawer, there is a yellow sewing kit in there. That's the one.
Great.
And there's probably some pins in there. So the idea is that you don't want any part of the shark to touch the outside. Anything that touches anything won't come out in the mold because we're gonna cover it with silicone and create a cavity. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good.
Pretty good?
That looks great. Perfect. Great job,
Love it.
guys.
Thank
What are
you.
Some kind of professional crafters or something?
We try to be. We
Some
try
sort
to
of
be.
like lumberjacky.
Lumberjacky.
Sort of crafty.
Jackie Crafties.
You guys are the best. This is plastiline clay. It never dries, so I just keep it around for. It's good for all kinds of projects.
Sweet.
So we're gonna set this here so that we know that it's sort of level. Okay, if you will hold it level, just hold it in place, just like that. That's
Yes,
good. That's
beautiful.
more than fine.
No one moved. And then I moved.
So this stuff is from a company called Smooth On. It's Dragon Skin, which is just a platinum pure silicone. And it's clear so that we can sort of see the object inside of what we're doing.
Cool.
Okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you part A, and
Okay.
it needs to sort of get mixed up. And I'm gonna give you then part B. Now here's the thing about this. They look exactly the same when you pour them into cups.
Okay.
So you can label your cups, which is always a good idea, but since you're in charge of yellow and you're in charge of blue, just don't mix them. You want to try to stir without introducing air bubbles into your silicone. If you shake, it introduces air. So, yep, so you pour it into that cup about halfway through, and then pour this one the same about half, and do the same with those two, and then we'll mix the two halves together.
Have you ever been swimming with sharks?
I have never been swimming with sharks. You?
Nah, me either.
I have.
Really?
Yeah.
Pray tell.
I actually don't really remember a lot of it.
Great story.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you. Yeah,
Don't
I know.
tell it
I was
ever.
really excited to talk about it today. I do have a shark joke.
Oh,
all
let's hear it.
right.
All right. What's a shark's favorite number?
I don't know.
8.
Oh! You can certainly now mix part A and part B together.
Okay.
And part A and part B together. Pour it in and mix it up. You know, like one of those commercials where you see like chocolate being poured and it's like
Yeah.
a big fat line and, it's layering over
it's like-
itself. That's kind of what you want. So we're gonna let this sit for 75-ish minutes, and then we can come back, pop it out. So all you have to do is just take everything that we did apart
All right.
and do what is called demolding. Sometimes with these objects, you need to cut a little bit so that you don't rip the mold, getting an object out. So ripping is bad because it won't seam back up. But if you cut it cleanly, it'll close back up fine. So we're gonna cut a relief right here along the back. All right, so if you pull that out, it should come right out of there.
Got him.
Oh,
Beautiful.
perfect.
Awesome.
So that's it. So now we have a cavity of the shark. So we have to pour it, right, in a little bit, and then we're gonna kind of slosh it around and let some get into the tail. Now you have to do all of that within about 2.5 minutes.
Okay.
That's the pot life of this, and once it kicks, it's exothermic, which means it puts off heat. It'll put off a lot of heat, and it's gonna get hard really fast.
Okay.
But we can make one casting every 10 minutes. So it's
Perfect.
just lickety split.
Yeah.
Right?
Awesome.
Okay. So we're gonna do equal parts.
Okay.
So you pour into that cup, and I'll pour into this cup. Equal parts of each of these.
Okay, I'm gonna come in with clay.
Coming in with clay. Yes, doctor. Doctor.
We're losing him.
Perfect. Okay, so we'll just let that sit for about 10 minutes, and then we can take it out. So it's cured now.
Awesome.
Right.
Still a little warm.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit warm, but you wanna get it out before it gets completely hard so that you can trim the edges, because it's gonna have some like,
Should I pop it open and
Yep.
then pull out?
go for it. So satisfying. That's great.
Here, maybe I'll hold and then you wanna grab.
Come on, little baby.
Come on.
Oh,
Come
this
on then.
tail was done to perfection.
Well done. Yeah, that's a fantastic tail.
Job. Oh,
You're such a good pourer. That looks
Whoa.
oh. That's awesome.
great. That looks really, really good. I need you to do one more.
Great.
All right.
While you do that, I'm going to get some rub and buff, and that's how we're gonna make this look like brass,
Ooh. Love it.
right?
Yeah.
Work. How do you guys feel about this process so far?
I
I'm
feel
loving
great.
it.
Yeah?
Yes.
You into this?
Game changer.
I use this rub and buff, which is like a wax coating for making
I
things
love
look like
this.
metal.
Sounds sexy.
Yeah,
It is sexy.
Just
And
wait until you
we've
use
never
it.
heard of this until we met you. And
That's
you've changed our lives.
Really?
Yes.
It's
this stuff is
fascinating.
awesome.
It's fantastic, yeah. So all you gotta do, you're gonna take a little bit of that, hit the high spots with your finger, and then you can kind of finesse it. I think I'm liking what you're doing there. I'm gonna just do that on this drawer face.
Ooh.
He's going rogue.
Right?
Talk about
Yeah, we didn't
this.
plan this.
No, we didn't.
So after you add the rub and buff, you don't need to like prime it or anything. It just dries.
Pretty quickly.
Exactly. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna attach them to this, okay, like this. So to do that, I'm gonna have to take a drawer out. And it just so happens this had some hardware in it, and I took it out so that this would fit across it. All right, so is it straight? That's your job. If it's
Andrew,
not
you
straight,
can probably see if it's
it's
better.
Andrew's fault.
yes. All right, we have our first draw
Yeah,
completed.
Draw.
Draw
Yeah.
in the secret draw.
That's pretty cool.
Drawer.
And look, check
Drawer.
it. This fin is perfect for pulling out the drawer.
Yes. This looks awesome. When you
Thanks.
first told us about the project, we thought it would be great for a beach house, but now
Yeah.
I could see it being anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like a vintage antique little side table.
Score.
Yes.
Thank you.
Love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh my gosh. I love
And
it.
best part about this, guys, we have a place to keep our shark toys.
Oh, thank
Oh,
God.
perfect.
For our next play date.
Exactly.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much for coming and doing projects.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks
this
for
was a
having
blast.
us.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
it's just super great. So
Let's do it again.
yeah, and if you guys want to see us do more projects together, comment below, let us know. We'll make it happen. Throw ideas out there.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.